Hello and welcome to Math with Lou. Today we're going to be talking about the Algebra 1 subject of expressions and variables. Very easy subject. This video won't take very long. Before we begin, we're going to go over some definitions. The only two definitions we need to know for this video are expressions and variables. So a mathematical expression comprises both numbers and variables together with at least one arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operation meaning addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. Um, and a variable is a letter, usually in English or Greek, that represents an unspecified number. For the most part, in Algebra 1, we're going to be dealing with English letter variables, mostly X, Y, N, P, Q, J, K. Those are the pretty common letters. When we move up to higher levels, we're going to start introducing some Greek letters, more common in physics, but sometimes you see them in math too, with the most popular being theta, but we'll cover more on that later. So down below, I have our first example I would like to go over. Very basic example. We're going to evaluate the expression 3x plus 1 when x equals 5. So step 1 here is we substitute our variable x with the number 5. So now this becomes 3 times 5 plus 1. Once we substitute x with the number 5, we are going to use the order of operations, PEMDAS here, to solve for our number. So first, we start with, according to PEMDAS, multiplication. So we do the 3 times 5 here, and that gives us 15. Then lastly, we add our 1 at the end, and we get our solution for 16. I have one more example down here, and I was hoping to do this one together with you instead of having everything already written out. So the first step, you guessed it, we're going to substitute our variables x and y with 2 and 3. So we're going to rewrite that with our substituted in numbers. So this becomes 5 times the quantity of 2 plus 3 squared plus y squared, which y is equal to 3. Whoops, need the pen. 3 squared minus 2 times 3. You guessed it. 2 times 3. Okay, so according to our order of operations PEMDAS, the first letter P being for parentheses, we have to evaluate what's inside of here first. So 2 plus 3 gives us 5. So our new expression now is 5 times the quantity of 5 squared plus 3 squared minus 2 times 3. Okay, next in our order of operations is exponents. So we're going to be evaluating this 2 squared here and this 3 squared here. So we're going to write down our 5. 5 squared gives us 25, so that's going to go inside of our parentheses now. Plus 3 squared, which gives us the number 9, minus 2 times 3. Okay, next in our order of operations is multiplication. So we're going to multiply the 5 and 25 and the 2 and 3 in this step. So 5 times 25 gives us a value of 125. We're going to transfer down the plus 9 minus 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. Okay, next in our order of operations is addition. So we're going to start off by reading this left to right. And well, actually, so on that note, addition and subtraction, they can be, it doesn't matter which one you do first, as long as you do it left to right. So sometimes you may see, I'm going to do an example over here, if you see 6 minus 125 plus 9, because addition and subtraction are interchangeable in our order of operations, you would do this left to right and do 6 minus 125 plus 9. But that's not the problem at hand. The problem at hand is over here, and we're going to do this left to right, 125 plus 9 minus 6. So let's get rid of this. So 125 plus 9, that gives us a value of 134. Then we transfer down our minus 6, and 134 minus 6 equals, you guessed it, 128. Nice job. And that is our simplified, or that is our answer when we substitute in 2 and 3 for x and y respectively. Thank you for joining me for this video, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.